How was your first ops? पहला ऑपरेशन कैसा था? And
First was तो I
कुछ
couldn't fire. Yani I couldn't. It was 10-15 meters the militants firing, but the guys who were next to me, they were firing.
okay.
तो मैं तो राउंड ही फायर नहीं कर पाया पहले ऑपरेशन में, पर मैंने फायर फाइट बहुत सुनी. फिर सब्सिक्वेंटली आई फायर्ड एट अ गाय, नॉट इन दैट ऑपरेशन बिकॉज आई वाज स्टिल अंडर प्रोबेशन. आई वाज डूइंग प्रोबेशन व्हेन दैट थिंग हैपेंड.
अच्छा.
एंड उफ, मेरे को दिखाई नहीं दिया तो मैं फायर किस पे करूं. तो मेरे सामने बीच में घर था, इधर भी फायर चल रहा है, इधर भी फायर चल रहा है. एंड देन दे वेंट इनसाइड अ हाउस एंड वी होल्ड इट अप एंड देन वी किल्ड देम सब्सिक्वेंटली. बट मैं इनिशियली टकरा के फायर कर नहीं पाया क्योंकि मेरे को दिखाई नहीं दिया.
अच्छा.
If I'm not seeing, I can't fire. I don't know where the. But he was close by only, so I could hear fire. That smell of gunpowder or browns or whatever you say. I could smell that. But exactly no. But then subsequently, जब वो अंदर गए, फिर मैंने 2-3 राउंड फायर किया. उसको लगे because they were holed up inside a house, so
अच्छा.
everybody was firing. But yeah, it was like that. So, but it gives you a lot of learning. कि
That
fire
हाँ.
environment में लगता कैसा है. ये it is
अभी
not
तक आप कर रहे थे
controlled fire
ट्रेनिंग
on
में.
a range ना कि
हाँ.
टमाटर करे और ऊपर करो, खाली कर, निकालो.
What changed after that in you? कुछ बदला
Nothing,
मतलब
यानी
जैसे
कि nothing much.
मैंने
but
MBA कर ली let's say, फिर मैं entrepreneur बना. There is a
नहीं,
change between the theory and the
नहीं,
practical
the
that I'm
thing is
doing.
कि this is how real world is all
Yes.
about. This
Uh-huh.
is what now the training and what they used to teach in our pamphlets and presses is over. Militant इधर से भी आता है. ये जो ground में अब now you are entering the real world.
Okay. Yes.
You have to be alert. You have to, यानी कि you have to improve. You have to take care of your equipment. You have to take care of your rifle. You have to clean it well. You have to hold it in a particular fashion so that it engages. वो वाली चीजें आना शुरू होती है कि भाई अब सेट हो जाओ. नहीं तो अगर तुमने इसमें फकअप किया, then you are going back in a coffin. You will not go back alive. So a person starts. That is what real world is all about. So you, from training, after firefights and contacts, you are getting into the real sphere. Now you are hunting. Now you need to sharpen your claws and teeth. Now you need to kill. Once you see blood, bodies and all, then it all becomes.
You have to absorb that also, no?
You have to.
For me.
Yeah, because you
it
have
will
not
be very
gone
difficult.
through
Yeah.
that. Yeah, you have not gone through it. Once
Even
you,
to
if
imagine
you
it.
run 50 kilometers,
Yeah.
so 50 kilometers will not be a difficult thing for you. You will run 7500. फिर वो 10 किलोमीटर normal लगेगा. So it is similarly like seeing a dead body or a body splattered with bullets or intestines falling out. It is normal. But once you have seen it, it is only. But ऐसा भी नहीं है कि उसको देखकर I started vomiting और but ठीक है मारना तो मर गया. It is over.
What changes? कुछ बदलता है मतलब कुछ बदला first.
Reflexes changes, mindset changes.
क्या
If
कैसे?
you are
What?
sleeping, अब मैं इधर हूँ, वो अब ठा करके ऐसे अभी भी आवाज होगी तो I think कि फायर वायर हुआ है. But that's what it is. Not much, but my reflexes are alert. For those 20 years, I might go to a place, I might observe people in a different way. I try to pick out strangers and normal people. So my closed one says कि अबे ये तू कहाँ क्या देख रहा है? अरे मैंने कहा तुम करते रहो ना. It's like because it's embedded in me ना.
Yes.
अगर even if you give me rifle today, my index finger will always be on the trigger guard. मैं हथियार को उसी 20 साल मैंने उसके साथ सोया हूँ मैं वेपन के साथ. Every day I have used it. You give it me after 20 years, मैं उसको कोई तिरछी जगह पे थोड़ी ऐसे उठाना के फायर करना शुरू कर दूँ. I will still. It is muscle memory, no? You have trained it so much. You have trained it so very much. It has become a part of your life. So your mind works like that. You keep on seeing people, observing whether this guy is a target. He is a what do you call used to military aged man. He cannot be a threat to me. So I keep on doing those assessments, but not very keenly, but it doesn't go out because I've done it all my life.
How do you define your personality, your character?
In what
Now?
sense?
Arrogance, ego, कैसे कैसे क्या क्या चीजें होंगी आपके अंदर? जैसे arrogance is one of the thing that you mentioned. क्या professionally
arrogance. I might be very nice to talk to, shake hands with people, very humble.
Okay.
But professionally, I am very arrogant. I know my work, and I have struggled, and I have risen. I have risen to a level. come here with not by chance. It is by choice and with lot of hard works and failures. मैंने देखा है. If
प्रोफेशनली आदमी को होना चाहिए एरोगेंट.
you must be. You must have some pride about yourself in what you are doing. अगर सभी ऐसे करके चल गए तो तुम्हें धक्का मार के फिर क्या फायदा है? यानी कि you should know your beans well.
सो लेट्स से I'm a founder, right, है ना, और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा गोल ओरिएंटेड हूँ. मैं बहुत देता हूँ, 15-16 घंटे देता हूँ अपने, मतलब जो आजकल सारे फाउंडर्स ही बोलते हैं मैं 16 घंटे काम करता हूँ, 15 घंटे काम करता हूँ. नाउ दे इम्पोज द सेम लेवल ऑफ एरोगेंस और द एटीट्यूड ऑन देयर टीम्स ऑल्सो.
Yeah.
So coming back to your thing, let's say I'm professionally, now you were leading the leaders, right? You were leading people who were already high and
performers.
peak performers.
Yeah.
But that's not how the common we civilians we are working today, right? तो हमारे में तो क्या है, अभी जेंजी आ गए, उनको थोड़ा easy relax रहना है, comfort led रहना है. उनको ही क्या, मतलब I'm 34 now, तो हम जैसे लोगों को भी थोड़ा सा comfort led रहना है.
Okay.
तो कोई चिल्ला देगा तो नौकरी छोड़ता है आदमी इस बात पे. तो what do you want to tell the founder? Should a founder be arrogant?
No. The founder should be arrogant, but he
With
should
the
not
team.
push
Hmm.
the teams to extremes. Even when I was the commanding officer of my unit, जितना मैं काम करता था और जितना मैं मेहनत करता था, मैं अपनी बटालियन से नहीं कराता था. They would have broken down. I'm giving it in writing. The kind of shit I could take and
would
work,
They could not.
they could not. Even if they were the best of the best, and they were the best of the best.
और फिर आपको देख के वो और अपने आप ही कर लेते होंगे. ये भी होता होगा.
वो करते थे. I need to push them, I need to coax them, I need to love them, I need to bring in pride about the work they are doing. I used to kick them also. I used to give them a hug also. When my teams used to come back, I used to stand with a towel also. कि ओके आ जाओ, पकौड़े खा लो, चाय खा लो. The worst of the conditions, I was always there with them. You can ask anyone. And that is how I commanded. But I never pushed them too much because जितना मैं ले सकता हूँ, they could have never taken that much. The kind of physical intensity and mental robustness और जितनी मेरे अंदर मेहनत की शक्ति थी, मेरी टीम्स, मेरे बंदों में उतनी